Hello students, we are going to start exercise 8.3 today. Question number 1. Express the trigonometric ratios of sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. Sec A, sin A and tan A in terms of cot A. Let us write first three identities. Sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. Sec square A minus tan square A equals to 1, and cosec square A minus cot square A equals to 1. For sin A, we can choose this option because cosec A means 1 upon sin A. It is the reciprocal of sin A. So cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Here we can get sin A and cot A. If we take reciprocal, it will be 1 upon tan A. For tan A, we can write 1 upon cot A. Tan A, 1 upon cot A, or cot A is 1 upon tan A. Cosec A can be written as 1 upon sin A, and sin A can be written as 1 upon cosec A. 1 upon sin A whole square, it will be 1 upon sin square A minus cot square A equals to 1. 1 upon sin square A equals to 1 plus cot square A. This is minus cot square A. It is going from left hand side to right hand side. It will be plus cot square A. Take the reciprocal of left hand side and right hand side. Right hand side is 1 plus cot square A upon 1. Left hand side is 1 upon sin square A. If you take reciprocal, then it will be sin square A. Its reciprocal will be 1 upon 1 plus cot square A. Then sin A, it will be under root 1 upon 1 plus cot square A. That means 1 upon under root 1 plus cot square A. We can note here sin A means 1 upon 1 plus cot square A. Now sec A. For sec A, we can choose this identity because sec square A minus tan square is 1. It is cot A. Tan A, we can convert it into 1 upon cot A. Sec square A minus tan square A equals to 1. sec A or sec square A equals to 1 plus tan square A. I have to clean this portion. Tan A we have to convert into cot A. Cot A means 1 upon tan A, or tan A means 1 upon cot A. So sec square A equals to 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon cot square A. Fractional addition, we can write cot square A, 1 into cot square A is cot square A. That cot square A into numerator 1 is cot square A. Cot square A into 1 is cot square A. That 1 into 1 is 1. Now sec A will be under root cot square A plus 1 and 1 plus cot square A. You can write 1 plus cot square A upon cot square A. That means under root 1 plus cot square A upon cot A. Next, tan A in terms of cot A. Directly we can write tan A equals to 1 upon cot A. 1 upon cot A. Question 1 is completed. We can start question number 2. In question number 2, write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. That means sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A and cosec A we have to convert into sec A. If we want to convert sin A in terms of sec A, we can choose this identity because sin A is there. Cos A, we can convert it into 1 upon sec A. Sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. Sin square A equals to 1 minus cos square A. We can add 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon sec square A. Sec square A, it will be the LCM. 1 into sec square A is 1. Then sec square A into 1 is sec square A minus sec square A into 1 is sec square A. This 1 into numerator is 1. Now sin A will be under root sec square A minus 1 upon sec square A. It will be under root sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. So we have converted sin A in terms of sec A. Now cos A. in terms of sec A. We can directly write cos A is 1 upon sec A. Now tan A, we have to convert tan A in terms of sec A. We can choose this option. This identity we can take. Tan A in terms of sec A. Cos A we got 1 upon sec A. Sin A we got root over sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. Sin A under root sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. So cosec A we can write 1 upon sin A, means reciprocal of sin A, means reciprocal of this term. It will be sec A under root sec square A minus 1. We got sin A in terms of sec A, cosec A in terms of sec A, cos A in terms of sec A. Sec square A minus tan square A equals to 1. Sec square A is 1 plus tan square A. Sec square A minus 1 is tan square A. So tan square A equals to sec square A minus 1. That means tan A will be under root sec square A minus 1. Okay. Now cot A equals to 1 upon tan A, reciprocal of tan A. Cot A is 1 upon tan A. Means 1 upon under root sec square A minus 1. Now question number 3 will start. Nine sec square A minus 9 tan square A. We can take 9 as common. Sec square A minus tan square A is 1. So it is 1. Option B, it is given 9. Therefore, option B is correct. Second part is quite lengthy. I'll clean this portion, then I'll start. One plus tan theta plus sec theta. Multiplied by 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. We can simplify. Tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. Sec theta means 1 upon cos theta. And tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. We can write sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. Cos theta upon sin theta, 1 upon sin theta. Okay. Now cos theta, it will be cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 into sin theta. It will be sin theta plus cos theta plus minus 1. See, 1 into cos theta is cos theta. That cos theta into numerator 1 means cos theta. Cos theta into 1 is cos theta. That 1 into sin theta is sin theta. Cos theta into 1 is cos theta. That 1 into numerator 1 is 1. 1 into sin theta is sin theta. Sin theta into 1 is sin theta. Sin theta into 1 is sin theta. That 1 into cos theta is cos theta. Sin theta into 1 is sin theta. That 1 into 1 is 1. It is sin theta cos theta. And suppose this is A and this is B. This one is B. This is A and this is B. That means it is A plus B into A minus B. We can write sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. That means A plus B. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. That means A minus B. We know A plus B into A minus B equals to A square minus B square. Sin theta cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta. This is A square minus, this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. A square minus B square. Here B is 1. A is sin theta plus cos theta. Now A plus sin theta is A and cos theta is B. A plus B whole square means A square plus 2AB plus B square. We can write sin square theta plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta minus 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. Now, sin square theta plus cos square theta. That means 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, it is minus 1 upon sin theta cos theta. Now this is plus 1, this is minus 1. We can cancel. Now we can get 2 sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. We can cancel. We can get 2. Option C, answer is given 2. Therefore, option C is correct. Option C is correct. Third part. Sec theta plus tan theta. Sec A is given here. Sec A plus tan A multiplied by 1 minus sin A. Sec A means 1 upon cos A. Tan A means sin A upon cos A. One minus sin A. Cos A, it will be 1 plus sin A. This 1 minus sin A we can write here. Now, it is A plus B. A is 1, B is sin A. A plus B into A minus B means A square minus B square. 1 square minus sin A whole square upon cos A. We can write 1 minus sin square A upon cos A. Now see, cos square A means 1 minus sin square A. Sin square A from left side to right side, if it goes, it will be minus sin square A. Cos square A means 1 minus sin square A. So in place of 1 minus sin square A, we can write cos square A. Cos square A means cos A into cos A. We can cancel. We will get cos A. Option D should be correct. Therefore, option D is correct. Fourth part. One plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. See this identity. 10 square a, it is minus here. Send it to the right side, then it will be plus 10 square a. So 1 plus 10 square a will be 6 square a. Here cot square a, if it goes from left to right side, it will be plus cot square a. So cosec square a will be 1 plus cot square a. We can write here cosec square a. Now sec square a means 1 upon cos square a, because sec a is 1 upon cos a. 1 upon, and cosec a means 1 upon sin a. We can write 1 upon sin square a. Now this is a fraction, this is also a fraction. 1 upon cos square a into sin square a upon 1. Ultimately it is sin square a upon cos square a, means sin a upon cos a whole square, that is 10a whole square, means 10 square a. Here option D is correct. Therefore option D is correct. From question number 4. First question. Left hand side is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. And right side is given 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Let us simplify this first. Cosec theta means 1 upon sin theta, and cos theta, it is cot theta, it is cos theta upon sin theta. Whole square. Cosec theta means 1 upon sin theta. Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Fractional addition. Sin theta, it will be 1 minus cos theta. Sin theta and sin theta, LCM is sin theta. Then sin theta into 1 is sin theta, that 1 into numerator 1 is 1. Minus sign is here. Sin theta into 1 is sin theta, that 1 is into cos theta is cos theta. We can write separately 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta, means we can separate this 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sin theta whole square, means sin square theta. Now we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta, it will be 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square. Sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. This 1, we can write 1 whole square. That means it is a square minus b square. Cos theta we can write. Cos square theta we can write cos theta whole square. So it is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. A is 1, b is cos theta. A is 1, b is cos theta. Numerator 1 minus cos theta whole square means 2 times 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. We can cancel. What is left? 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. We got right hand side. So you can write equals to right hand side. Now second sum. Cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. We have to prove 2 sec A means right side is 2 sec A. Left hand side cos A upon 1 plus sin A. Plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. We have to get 2 sec A. One plus sin A and cos A. So LCM will be cos A into 1 plus sin A. Cos A into 1 plus sin A. If we divide by 1 plus sin A, we will get cos A. Then cos A into cos A is cos square A. Or 1 plus sin A into cos A is this much. That cos A into cos A is cos square A. Plus, if we divide this term by cos A, then cos A and cos A will be cancelled. 1 plus sin A will be left. This 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A means 1 plus sin A whole square. It is A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square means A square plus 2AB plus B square. A is 1 and B is sin A. Cos square A plus B whole square means A square means 1 square is 1 plus 2 into A into B, 2 into 1 into sin A means 2 sin A plus B square means sin A whole square means sin square A. It is cos A into 1 plus sin A. cos square A plus sin square A, it is 1. So we can write 1. Now this one we are writing here, this 2 sin A we can write here. Now denominator is cos A into 1 plus sin A. This 1 plus 1 means 2 plus 2 sin A cos A 1 plus sin A. 2 we can take common, 2 you can write here 1 into 2, then 2 is common, 1 will be left, plus sin 2 common means sin A will be left. Denominator is cos A 1 plus sin A. This part and this part we can cancel. 2 upon cos A, we know sec A equals to 1 upon cos A. So in place of 1 upon cos A we can write sec A. This can be written as 1 upon cos A. 1 upon cos A means sec A, means right hand side. 2 sec A. These 2 will come here. 1 upon cos A means sec A. Two sec A means right side we have got. Third sum. It was second sum. Third sum. LHS tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta. One minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. We can simplify. Here in the instruction it is given, write the expressions in terms of sin theta and cos theta. And right side we have to get 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Simplify it first. Tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. 1 minus 1 upon 1 we can write. Cot theta means cos theta upon sin theta plus tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta and cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Here cos theta upon sin theta we can write 1 upon 1 minus tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. Next, sin theta upon cos theta. Here sin theta is the LCM. 1 into sin theta will be sin theta. That sin theta into this numerator 1 means sin theta. Minus sin theta into 1 is sin theta. That 1 into cos theta means cos theta. Similarly, it will be cos theta upon sin theta, denominator is cos theta minus sin theta. This is a fraction, this is also a fraction. Fraction upon fraction. Suppose a upon b, it is a fraction, divided by c upon d, it is a fraction. So we can write like this way: a upon b divide c upon d, means a upon b into d upon c, like this. Sin theta upon cos theta into sin theta upon sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Observe this one and this one. It is sin theta minus cos theta, and it is cos theta minus sin theta. We can make this sin theta minus cos theta if we change the sign. How? That I am showing you. Sin theta into sin theta means sin square theta. Cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This is plus sign. If we make it minus sign, then cos theta minus sin theta will become sin theta minus cos theta. Plus sign, make it minus. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Sin theta. We have taken minus 1 common from this expression. Minus 1 common means minus sin theta will become plus sin theta. Plus cos theta will become minus cos theta. We have changed the sign. Plus sign here, minus sign here. So it will be sin theta minus cos theta. Now this part and this part same. So what will be the LCM? It is cos theta into sin minus cos. It is sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So LCM will be sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Starting from here. Sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now this upon this, what will be left? Cos will be cancelled, sin minus cos will be cancelled. Only sin will be left. This sin theta into sin square theta means sin cube theta. Now this part upon this part, cos theta will be left into cos square theta means cos cube theta. It is a cube minus b cube. What is the formula for a cube minus b cube? It is an identity. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A is sin theta and b is cos theta. So sin theta minus cos theta, a minus b minus cos theta. A square plus ab plus b square. A square means sin square theta plus ab means sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. We can cancel this one and this one. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is 1. 1. It will be 2 sin theta cos theta. No, AB plus B square. A square plus AB plus B square. A square plus AB plus B square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is 1 plus sin theta cos theta. It is written here. Now we can split this. 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. We can cancel. It will be 1. This splitting, suppose a plus b upon 2 means a upon 2 plus b upon 2. Now 1 upon sin theta means cosec theta, and 1 upon cos theta means sec theta, plus it is 1. Cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta and cos theta is sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. Let us see the right hand side. Right hand side, it is given 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Same thing, 1 plus sec theta cosec theta equals to right hand side. So you have to be careful in this step. A cube minus b cube. Identity is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A minus b means sin theta minus cos theta. A square means sin square theta plus ab means sin theta cos theta plus b square means cos square theta. After that, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Then we got sin theta cos theta. After that, we have splitted this into 2 parts like this way. 1 upon sin theta cos theta upon this. Cancel. After that, 1 upon sin theta means cosec theta, 1 upon cosec theta means 1 upon sec cos theta means sec theta. Fourth sum. LHS 1 plus sec theta upon sec theta. It is given sec A, 1 plus sec A upon sec A. A plus b upon 2 means we can split A upon 2 plus b upon 2. Similarly, 1 plus sec A upon sec A means we can write 1 upon sec A plus sec A upon sec A. We can cancel this. It will be 1. 1 upon sec A means cos A plus 1. cos A means 1 upon sec A. In place of 1 upon sec A, we have written here cos A. Now right hand side. Sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. One minus cos A. We have to get 1 plus cos A. Means sin square A we have to convert into 1 minus cos square A. Then A plus B, A minus B formula. Sin square A means 1 minus cos square A. We write this here. 1 minus cos square A. It is 1 minus cos A. A square minus B square formula. A plus B into A minus B. A is 1 here. B is cos A. So we can write 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Denominator is 1 minus cos A. Now we can cancel. We have got 1 plus cos A. Left hand side we got 1 plus cos A. Right hand side also we got 1 plus cos A. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS proved. Next one. Fifth. Cos A minus sin A plus 1. Cos A plus sin A minus 1. We have to get cosec A and cot A. Cosec A plus cot A right hand side. Cos A plus sin A, cos A minus sin A plus 1, cos A plus sin A minus 1. Let us divide each term by sin A. Cos A upon sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A. Here also cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon sin A minus 1 upon sin A. Cosec A means 1 upon sin A and cos A upon sin A means cot A. Tan A is sin A upon cos A. We can write cos A upon sin A means cot A plus minus sin A cancel. Here also minus 1 plus 1 upon sin A means cosec A. Here it will be cot A. It is plus 1 minus cosec A. Cosec A and cot A. Let us write first cot A plus cosec A, then minus 1. Denominator write the same thing, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now in place of 1 we will write that identity, cosec square A minus cot square A is 1. Cosec square A minus cot square A is 1. Cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Here cot A plus cosec A. Cot A plus cosec A, and minus, in place of minus we will write cosec square A minus cot square A. A square minus B square, that formula, that identity means A plus B into A minus B. Here A is cosec A and B is cot A. Cot A plus cosec A, or we can write cosec A plus cot A. Minus sign. A square minus B square, A plus B into A minus B. Cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. Denominator is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Suppose this is cosec A plus cot A into 1, then minus sign. Now this term, from this term and this term, we can take cosec A plus cot A as common. Here cosec A plus cot A, cosec A plus cot A. Cosec A plus cot A. If we take common, this 1 will be left. Let us write 1 here. This minus sign we write here. Now be careful. Minus sign, and we are opening the brackets. Cosec A is positive here. For this minus sign, it will be minus cosec A. It is minus cosec A. Now this is minus cot A. Outside the bracket, it is minus sign. So it will be plus cot A. Denominator is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Same thing. cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. If you want, you can rearrange. Cosec A plus cot A into, we can write cot A first, then plus 1 minus cosec A. Cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. We can cancel this and this. What is left? Cosec A plus cot A. Now what is the right side? Cosec A plus cot A equals to right hand side. Question number 6. Left hand side, the under root 1 plus sin A (1 minus sin A). We have to get sec A plus tan A. Let us multiply 1 plus sin A 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A. Now this is A plus B, 1 plus sin A. It is also A plus B, 1 plus sin A. It will be 1 plus sin A whole square. It is A plus B, it is A minus B. Means A square minus B square. Means 1 square minus sin A whole square. A plus B, A minus B. A square minus B square. A is 1, B is sin A. If we take this term outside the square root sign, it will be 1 plus sin A. It is 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Cos square A will be 1 minus sin square A. So in place of 1 minus sin square A, we can write cos square A. 1 plus sin A under root cos square A. Taking cos square A out of the square root sign, so it will be 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Now it can be written as 1 upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A. Now 1 upon cos A means sec A, and sin A upon cos A means tan A. So we can write 1 upon cos A, it is sec A, plus sin A upon cos A, it is tan A. In right hand side, it is given sec A plus tan A. So you got the right hand side equals to RHS. Next question, we'll start. Sin A minus 2 sin square A. Here it is given theta. Sin theta minus 2 sin square theta upon sin cube theta, it is given, upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. We have to get right hand side as tan theta. Right hand side we have to get tan theta. We can take sin theta as common from numerator. Sin theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon, from here we can take cos theta as common. Cos theta, from cos cube theta, if we take cos theta out, then cos square theta will be left, and from sin cube theta, if we take sin theta out, sin square theta will be left. It will be 2 cos square theta minus cos theta is common, 1 will be left. Now sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. We can write tan theta here. It is sin square theta, it is cos square theta. Convert any one in terms of, if you convert sin square theta into cos square theta, then do not convert this. Or if you convert cos square theta into sin square theta, then do not convert this. Let us convert cos square theta into sin square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Then cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. It will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now here take this kind of brackets. 2 in place of cos square theta, write 1 minus sin square theta. This minus 1 right here. Then it will be tan theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here 2 minus 2 into 1 is 2, minus sign is here, 2 into sin square theta means 2 sin square theta minus 1. Tan theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 2 minus 1, this 2 this minus 1, that means 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cancel. We are getting tan theta means RHS. Next question. Tan A sin A plus cosec A whole square. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. We have to prove this is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. It is A plus B whole square means A square plus 2AB plus B square. A is sin A, sin square A plus 2 sin A cosec A, 2 into A into B plus cosec square A. Expand this, it will be cos square A plus 2 into cos A into sec A plus sec square A. Sin square A plus cos square A, it will be 1. Sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. We can write 1. Now 2 sin A cosec A. Sin A cosec A means 1. Sin A into cosec A, it is 1, and sec A cos A, it is also 1. So 2 sin A cosec A, 2 into 1 means 2. 2 cos A sec A means 2 into 1 plus 2. Now what is left? This and this. 2 sin square theta plus sin square A plus cos square A, 1 we have taken here. 2 sin A cosec A means 2 into 1 2. 2 cos A sec A means 2 into 1 2. Cosec square A plus sec square A. Two plus 1 means 5. plus cosec square A means 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus cot square A, and sec square A means 1 plus tan square A. So in place of cosec square A, we can write 1 plus cot square A. In place of sec square A, we can write 1 plus tan square A. Now this is 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus, what you have to prove? 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So anyone you can write, cot square A or tan square A. Tan square A plus cot square A. That means RHS. Okay? Two more sums are left. Ninth sum will start. Left hand side. Cosec A minus sin A. Multiplied by sec A minus cos A. Let us simplify. Cosec A means 1 upon sin A. We can write sin A upon 1. Sec A 1 upon cos A. And here we can write cos A upon 1. Fractional addition, here also we are doing sin A. Sin A into 1 is sin A. This 1 into numerator 1 means 1. 1 into sin A will be sin A. This sin A into numerator sin A means sin square A. So cos A, it will be 1 minus cos square A. Denominator, it will be sin A cos A. Numerator will be 1 minus sin square A. One minus cos square A. Expand this part. 1 into 1 minus cos square A. Minus sin square A into 1 minus cos square A upon sin A cos A. It will be sin A cos A 1 minus cos square A minus sin square A this is minus sign, it is also minus sign, so be careful here. It will be plus sign. This is minus sign, this is also minus sign. We are opening the brackets. So sin square A into plus 1 is sin square A. This minus sign is here. Now this minus sign and this minus sign. In case of multiplication, it will be plus sign. Sin square A into cos square A. Now in place of 1, we can write sin square A plus cos square A. In place of 1, it will be sin square A plus cos square A. Now minus cos square A. Then minus sin square A. Then plus sin square A into cos square A. Upon sin A cos A. Plus sin square A minus sin square A. We can cancel. Plus cos square A and minus cos square A also we can cancel. Now what is left? Sin square A cos square A. Denominator is sin A cos A. Now sin square A upon sin A, it will be sin A. Cos square A upon cos A, it will be cos A. I will clean this portion. Right hand side. Right hand side is 1 upon tan A plus cot A. One upon tan A plus cot A. Tan A means sin A upon cos A. Cot A means cos A upon sin A. Sin A and cos A. Sin A into cos A will be the LCM. Cos A into sin A is sin A cos A. This sin A into sin A means sin square A. Plus sin A into cos A will be sin A cos A. This cos A into numerator cos A means cos square A. So it will be 1 upon, now sin square A plus cos square A means 1 sin A cos A. Ultimately this is 1 into sin A cos A upon 1 equals to sin A cos A. So left hand side final result is sin A cos A. Right hand side for this also final result we got sin A cos A. Therefore left hand side equals to right hand side. Next sum. Now 10th sum. 1 plus tan square A one plus cot square A. We know sec square A is 1 plus tan square A. We can write 1 plus tan square A means sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A means cosec square A. Now cos A means 1 upon sec A, or sec A means 1 upon cos A. So sec square A, if we take from numerator position to denominator position, it will be cos square A. And cosec square A, if we shift from denominator position to numerator position, it will be sin square A. That means sin A upon cos A whole square means it will be sin A upon cos A means tan A. Tan A whole square means tan square A. Now 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A. 1 minus cot A whole square. A minus B whole square, it will be A square minus 2AB plus B square. 1 square means 1 minus 2 into 1 into tan A means 2 tan A plus tan A whole square means tan square A. Here also A minus B whole square. 1 minus 2 cot A plus cot square A. Sec square A minus tan square A equals to 1, or sec square A means 1 plus tan square A, and cosec square A minus cot square A is 1. That means cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A. So 1 plus tan square A, we can write sec square A. Sec square A means 1 plus tan square A. One plus tan square A, 1 plus cot square A. In place of 1 plus tan square a, we are writing sec square a. And here minus 2 tan a is left. 1 plus cot square a means cosec square a minus 2 cot a. Let us simplify this. It will be 1 upon cos square a minus 2 sin a upon cos a means tan a. 2 sin a upon cos a. Then cosec square a 1 upon sin square a minus 2 cot a means cos a upon sin a. Cos square a and cos a. Cos square a will be the LCM. And here sin square a, sin a. Sin square a is the LCM. Check. Cos square a into 1 is cos square a. That 1 into 1 is 1. Minus. Cos a into cos a is cos square a. This cos a into 2 sin a means 2 sin a cos a. Sin square a into 1 is sin square a. This 1 into this 1 means 1. Minus. Sin a into cos a. Sin a into sin a is sin square a. This sin a into cos a. It will be 2 sin a cos a. Next step I am writing here. One minus 2 sin a cos a upon cos square a. Upon cos square a into sin square a. We have to write here because fraction upon fraction. 1 minus 2 sin a cos a. Cancel this part and this part. It is sin square a upon cos square a means tan square a. So finally we can write 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a. Therefore 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a equals to 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a, 1 minus tan a, 1 minus cot a whole square equals to, here also we got tan square a, here also we got tan square a. That means we can write tan square a. Okay, so chapter 8 is completed.